Hey up everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be making some pine cones ready for those wreaths that we're going to be putting up over Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to subscribe and like so that you get to see the videos that I'm going to be making in the future. The pattern for the pine cone that we're going to be making today you will find on our website. The link is below in the comments. The finished pine cone measures approximately 4 inches long. It's great for making wreaths and things. So let's make some pine cones. We're going to start with the largest piece first because so that you guys can see what I'm doing. The smaller pieces can get a little bit fiddly. We're just going to put glue halfway around that bottom piece and line up the contrasting felt on top, leaving it open at the side there. You're going to put glue on that little tab, and that tab will hide between the 2 layers of felt. Glue down that top piece of felt and you've made the first part of the cone. And you just repeat this process for all the other double layered pieces of felt. That little tab is hidden between the 2 layers of the felt so nobody will see it. It just forms a nice cone shape to make the pine cones. Now for the 2 pieces of felt that are left there that don't have the contrasting felt with them, these are going to be the bottom of the pine cone. So we're just going to attach them together using those little tabs. Again, that tab will just tuck inside and nobody will see it. And then we're going to start constructing the pine cone. The construction of the pine cone itself is pretty easy if you just follow the video through, so I'll leave you with the video and let you enjoy some Christmas music. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And there we have it, a cute little pine cone ready for your next wreath. You can add a stem to the bottom of it just with a piece of felt there. Just wind it around the floral wire. And of course you can make these pine cones in any colour combination that you want to, depending on what your decor colour is. And if you stay with the video, I will be showing you how to make the pine cone foliage that will sit nicely with the pine cone. I always have these little embroidery scissors available just to trim off any little bits of glue that might be sticking out that you don't want to be seeing. They get nice and close into the felt, and just trim off any of those little random bits of glue. And there we have it. Now I'm going to show you how to make the pine needle stem that goes well with the pine cones. You don't have to use the traditional green felt. You can use any other combination that you want. With the rainbow one that you see there, I used a rainbow HTV vinyl that I ironed onto some pieces of felt. And the pink one is a pink glitter HTV vinyl. You can change any pieces of felt by using HTV vinyl. It works really well with it. So with the length of felt, you've just done some skinny fringing there, and now we're going to glue it to the stem and wind it around the stem. And then when you come to the end of the felt, you just glue it on there and it'll stick nicely there. Super easy to make. This one was made with 3/4 inch felt, and the one on the left was made with 1/2 inch felt. You can change it up depending on what you need. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to press all those buttons, the subscribe and like, so that you don't miss any videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out our website for patterns and projects that we've got going on. And also we have a sister group that's on Facebook called the Do a Little Club, where we just have a chat and show off our projects. It's a kind of show and tell kind of place. All the links are below. Please join us. Speak to you again later.